प्रश्नकाल
Question hour.
141 Dr. C.M. Ramesh.
Speaker said, the people and parents, children of Anakapalli are thankful to... Question number 1, sir. Question number 141.
माननीय
Honorable Minister.
Thank you, Speaker said.
Honorable Member.
The people, parents and children of Anakapalli are thankful to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Education Minister for selecting 35 schools as Pradhan Mantri Schools for Raising India. Sir, the Honorable Minister is aware that state government has recommended 82 schools, 31 schools under the phase 1 and 51 schools under the phase 2. But the ministry has approved only 35 schools, 24 schools in phase 1, 11 schools are phase 2. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister whether he will consider including the remaining 47 schools under the Pradhan Mantri School for Raising India from Anakapalli in the second or in the next phase. Thank you.
As per scheme, a total of 14,500 schools are given the recognition of PM Shri. They're recognized as exemplar schools. And this is to implement National Education Policy 2020. I can understand the concern raised by Honourable Member. He has said in Anakapalli there are 35 PM Shris that have been given the status. A number are also being reviewed. We will follow due process in the selection criteria because there's a challenge method that has to be fulfilled. Thank you.
Sir, I am grateful and Honourable Minister for giving more than 1,000 crores in second year for Pradhan Mantri School for Raising India in Andhra Pradesh. Sir, for Pradhan Mantri School for Raising India, there is a need for additional requirements like lab technicians, computer operators, separate rooms for vocational education, teaching and learning material, sanitary pad, disposable machines, solar panels for sustainability. So, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, will he consider providing these facilities for PM School for Raising India schools in Anakapalli or giving recurring to grant state for 3-4 years to sustain this scheme, sir?
Sir, to implement this scheme, a national school quality assessment framework is prepared. And our ministry regularly looks at, reviews the status of implementation. Total of 35 PM Shri schools are there in Anakapalli and 22 metrics as per NEP are regularly tracked. Honourable Ministers, Honourable MPs talked about physics lab, chemistry lab. I would like to inform him that 82% coverage is in this metric. And of course, if the state sends a proposal, a firm proposal, we will follow due process.
Shri Gurjit Singh Ojla.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Sir, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister that the border states, the condition of the schools is deplorable. Is the government coming up with any scheme like Amritsar is my district and there's a bordering area, so more schools may be included in this scheme? Is the government paying any attention to that? Thank you.
Sabapati ji.
Honourable Speaker, sir, as I have already said that 14,500 schools have been allotted all over the country, and considering the geographical condition, how many blocks are there, how many urban bodies are there, as per that only the numbers have been considered. The ideal number of schools be there, the coverage should be universal, and every state has been provided coverage in that. And as the honourable member gives any special suggestion, especially for bringing in some changes in the education process of Punjab, we'll consider that. Thank you.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. I would like to ask the Honourable Minister, during the financial year 23-24, about 212 crores was sanctioned, but only 50% was released. And 24-25, about 420 crores were sanctioned and 21% was released. This is because the state government, the guideline shows that the state government, it is their duty to transfer to the accounts, both the state share and central share, but that did not happen with the previous governments. This has impacted the implementation of PM Shri in our state of Andhra Pradesh. I would like to ask the Honourable Minister, what are the steps taken for the smooth implementation of PM Shri in our state of Andhra Pradesh to protect the students? Thank you.
A total of 855 PM Shri schools have been recognized in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Honourable Member has spoken about the pace of expenditure as per financial guidelines. Andhra Pradesh in year 24-25, total of 177 crores almost has been released. That's the center share that I'm talking about. Thank you.